Hello everyone, this is Shweta B. In this session, we are going to see about barrel shifter. These are the contents. First, we see introduction of the barrel shifter, then how they are implemented in both hardware and software, then its operations, how it is performing in ARM processor, then its advantages. Barrel shifter, which is a digital circuit that can shift a data word by a specified number of bits without the use of any sequential logic. It's only a pure combinational logic, that is, it inherently provides a binary operation. Implementation. A barrel shifter is a logic circuit for shifting a word by varying an amount. It has a control input that specifies the number of bit position that it shifts by. A barrel shifter is implemented with sequence of shift multiplexers, each shifting a word by 2 power k bit position for different values of k, where the output of one multiplexer is connected to the input of a next multiplexer in a way that it depends on the shift distance. The number of multiplexers used for a implementation can be calculated by n log base to n formula. For example, a 8-bit barrel shifter, the number of multiplexers used for implementing that is 24. This is the simple behavioral code for 8-bit barrel shifter. Our module barrel shifter contains an input A, an output B, and a shift input SH. Here the parameter n is initialized by 8, then shift is 3. The shift input bit can be calculated by using the formula log base 2 of n. Here the n is 8. So the n can be written as 2 power 3 because n is 8. So substitute 2 power 3 in n, we can simply get 3. That's why the shift input has 3 bits. Inside the always block, our output B is sensitive to both SH input and A input. Whenever SH is 0, our input does not change. Our output is same as input. Whenever an SH is equal to 1, our input bit is shifted by 1 bit. Our input is shifted by 1 bit, that will be assigned to B. When it is 2, then input is shifted by 2 bits, that is assigned to B. Similarly, it happens for all the shift inputs. We are going to see the operations of barrel shifter. It facilitates both shift as well as roll instruction. A roll instruction, which might be called roll left 3 instruction. It moves the bits of a word or a byte 3-bit locations to the left. Instead of letting 3 bits disappear from the word or a byte of the left end, it moves those bits in order to the right side of the word or a byte. For example, we can take an input A, B, C, D. After applying a roll left 3 instruction, our output will be B, C, D, A. These 3 bits are shifted towards left. That's why we are saying roll left 3 instruction. Similar to roll left 3 instruction, we also have a roll right 1 instruction. Would call for moving each the bits 1 bit location to the right, except that the rightmost bit is moved to the left end of the word or a byte. Then shift operation. These are somewhat different from roll operation. We can perform different type of shift operations like a shift, left, right, a circular left shift, circular right shift, etc. For example, we can take an input 1 1 1 1. Here we are going to apply a shift right operation, shift right by 2 bits. In this input, our output will be 0 0 1 1. In this output, we can clearly see that 2 bits disappear on the right and zeros are filled on the left. Shifting left would have an opposite effect for this instruction. Then the output will be 1 1 0 0. In this output, you can see that the 2 zeros are appended at the end and 2 ones are shifted towards left. What is the role of barrel shifter in ARM processor? ARM stands for Advanced RISC Machine. Barrel shifter in ARM processor is a functional unit testing. That is, it is used to perform the shift and rotate operation. Barrel shifter provides 5 different type of shift and rotate operations. They are logical shift left, logical shift right, arithmetic shift right, rotate right extended. In LS, let's say discuss one by one with an example. First one is LSL by 4 bits. Here for a given input, 4 bits are shifted towards left and zeros are filled at the end. In LSL by 4 bits have an opposite effect. First performing a shift right operation, then zeros are filled at the front. Then ASR. ASR can be done in 2 ways. First one is a positive value, second one is a negative value. In ASR by 4 positive value, first performing a similar shift right operation. After performing a shift right operation for a positive value, the zeros are placed at the front. In case of negative value, after performing a shift right operation, ones are filled at the front. That is the main difference. For positive, we are using zeros, and for a negative, we are using 1. Then right rotate by 4 bits. Here, shift right operations done first. After that, 4 least significant bits are placed at the front. In logical shift right operation, zeros are placed at the front position, but here 4 least significant bits are placed at the front. Then right rotate extend by 4 bits. Here in previous cases we are dealing with 32 bits, but here we are dealing with 33 bits because we include the carry bit too. That is the main difference from the previous cases. Here also first performing a similar shift right operation. After that, the least significant bit is placed in the position of carry bit. This depicts how barrel shifter works along with the ALU. The register RM that has been pre-processed by the barrel shifter prior to being used by the data processing instruction. Data processing instructions are processed within a ALU. A unique and powerful feature of the ARM processor is the ability to shift 32-bit binary pattern in one of the source registers, either left or right by a specific number of position before it enters the ALU. This shift increases the power and also flexibility of many data preprocessing operation. Preprocessing or a shift occurs within a cycle time of that instruction. This is particularly useful for loading constants into a register and achieving fast multiplication or a division by a power of 2. Let's take an example. Apply a logical shift left to a register RM before moving it to the destination register. The move instruction copies the shift operator result into a register RD, that is a destination register. The example multiplies the register R5 by 4 and then places the result into a register R7. Then its advantages. Barrel shifter is used in the hardware implementation of floating point arithmetic operation. Their core speed is also a greatest advantages of a barrel shifter. Every shift operations can be done within a single clock cycle. It is also used in a conjunction with processors arithmetic logical unit. Thank you.